Welcome back to Healthy Grocery Girl. Today I'm excited to share with you one of our favorite weekly recipes, and that's how to make a vegetable curry. To make the curry sauce, you will need coconut milk, cashews, yellow curry paste, onion powder, turmeric, black pepper, salt, and dried apricots. Add all curry sauce ingredients to a high-speed blender and blend on high until smooth, about 2 minutes. Heat curry sauce in a small saucepan, or if you're using a Vitamix, continue blending on high until sauce becomes hot. This takes about 6 minutes. For the rest of your recipe, you will need onion, orange bell pepper, yellow squash, broccoli, chickpeas, curry sauce, brown rice, fresh basil, and lime. Cook brown rice according to package instructions. Then wash, dry, slice, and dice your vegetables. Add the vegetables to a large sauté pan and cook for 10 minutes with the lid on over medium to low heat. Add the chickpeas, stir, and cook for an additional 10 minutes with the lid on over medium-low heat. Rinse dry and chop your fresh basil. Add everything to a plate and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. You can view or print this recipe on our blog at healthygrocerygirl.com. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!